It's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. Today we have something special. We have a nice little pick-me-up from Vandy the Pink. I previously unboxed my tofu burger sneakers. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But I was able to pick up another pair, and I was able to pick it up for a steal of a price. I've been a big fan of Vandy the Pink. He is Korean, he is from the DMV, he is just a great designer. A month or two ago, he did a warehouse pop-up sale going on in Arlington, Virginia. I just so happened to be in the DMV that day, and Justin and I both went and picked up a few things. One of the things we picked up is this really cool Vandy the Pink shirt, and then I was able to pick up these sneakers that you'll see very shortly. Let's go ahead and look at the box. To my understanding, these sneakers released at ComplexCon exclusively. The top of the box features the iconic Vandy the Pink logo and a lot of very similar branding to Coca-Cola. Love the little added details of the burgers next to the recycling sign. On the back, you have these kind of like fake stickers that look like they've been placed all over the box, and a little bit more info about the shoe. I picked this up in a size 6. I found that this is the perfect size for me. I usually am a 5.5, so actually decided to size up. Didn't want to risk having two small sneakers and being unable to return or find a buyer. All Vandy boxes come with the signature little shoestrings on top to hold them, and I just want to call that out and give it a little mention. Probably one of my favorite things about Vandy the Pink unboxings. All right, let's open this up. Got some custom tissue paper on the inside, a nice little yellow hue with some orange, kind of golden print. Love this little detail. Please put shoes in its place, your feet. Love that he's encouraging you actually wearing the shoes. The shoe came with this little cola plush. I just absolutely love this, and it is a little pin. Inside the shoebox was also this cute little keychain, and it looks like a bottle cap opener because that's exactly what it is on the other side. But love that you get the Vandy logo on the very front. Just very cute, seamless. I love some good accessories. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, look at this sneaker. Absolutely love this, and this is probably one of the only patent leather shoes I currently own. It was also the main reason why I wanted to purchase them. Let's start with the sole. You have a rubberized sole both on the outsole and the midsole. Love that Vandy the Pink has a custom outsole, so you do get that signature little flower in the middle, and then you get this kind of burger plush texture with the french fries, the little shoes, and then of course a signature little Vandy stamp. As I mentioned, this upper features patent leather. You'll see this kind of light blue patent. Seems pretty high quality, very thick. I really don't think I'm gonna have any kind of like wear and tear issues. Underneath those patent leather panels is this very clean, simple, white, smooth leather. It's clean, it's paperweight, I love it. It just really bounces off the lightness of that blue color, and then that brown tone at the bottom really just brings it all in. For the french fry, you have this kind of like clear plastic, but it's also like plushy. Wow, this is just such a nice little appeal. But yes, the french fry is a clear and it has brown underneath, and it does kind of have this little kind of plush. You definitely have to touch it. French fries featured both on the lateral and medial side of the shoe. I love Vandy the Pink because the stitch quality is always on point, and this shoe is like no other. On the back heel, you'll see on top of that patent leather blue is an embroidered Vandy logo. Love that this is in, it's bubble font print. You have a mesh sock liner featured in that brown, and that brown is very similar to the hues featured across the shoe. This bad boy came laced up with white laces, and of course has that little middle piece to secure them. The tongue is made of patent leather blue and then has that brown undertone mesh underneath. Tongue tag features a Vandy logo as well as the Vandy burger doll. States that it's an original Vandy. I love that on the back of the tongue label it says please do not eat. That is just hilarious and also kind of goes with this whole aesthetic of the shoe. One nice touch that I really like is that Vandy the Pink sneakers have this insole that is in that nice like kind of waffle texture. Very plush, very cushiony, one of the best insoles that come with the sneaker to date. Love that I was finally able to pick up a patent leather shoe. I've been really wanting it for on the days where it looks a little rainy, a little snow, a little wet outside. This is perfect because the upper overlays are that patent leather and then you still do get the actual smooth leather on the bottom. So I don't know, it doesn't feel like a whole patent leather shoe, which I've always felt was like a lot of shininess going on. It's not appealing to me personally. So I do like the mixture of the two materials and they go very seamlessly together. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker in the comments below. I believe it retailed for $200, although I was able to pick it up for about like $55 at this warehouse sale. Hopefully there'll be another one in the future and I'll see you guys there. Do you guys like patent leather sneakers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below because I am definitely wondering if I'm the only one that kind of likes the mixture of the materials rather than one full upper made of patent leather. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxings. I also have my vlog series, These 30s, where I take you along my 30s with me. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.